back again. We're going to go ahead and do our stuffed chicken breast. It's actually called a cream cheese broccoli stuffed chicken breast. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn your oven on 375, let it preheat while you're going on and getting all of your things together. I mentioned this pan before. This is my mama's. I've got a piece of parchment paper in there with a little bit of olive oil sprayed on it. Remember, this is keto. This is keto. In this bowl, I've already got this pre-cut. I have 1 cup of chopped broccoli, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and 1 tablespoon of butter. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix all of this up together, and we want it mixed real good because this is what we're going to stuff our chicken breast with. Okay? And earlier when I mentioned the chicken breast, I failed to tell you everything that I've got on it. Actually, I have a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of Smokey Paprika. A lot of people don't like the smoky flavor. If you don't like the smoky flavor, just use regular paprika. I also have 2 slices of bacon. I've cut them in half that we're going to put on the top of the chicken breast. And about 5 minutes before it's finished baking, we're going to take it out of the oven and we're going to sprinkle some cheddar cheese on top of it. So we do need to butterfly, or not fully butterfly, but nearly. We're going to do a pocket. We're going to do a pocket in our chicken breast. That's what we're going to do. We're going to make a pocket, and then we're going to stuff it. So, and also, mine are wrapped. They don't have to be. But I've got some toothpicks that we're going to use to secure the breast when we fold it back over, plus just to kind of anchor the bacon on. So, all right. Let's get going then. Let's get going. Just wanna now, yeah, you can put your gloves on if you want to when you're handling your chicken breast, or you don't have to. Just use the cautions so that you don't end up making yourself sick with the chicken. Okay? Alright. It's easiest for me to set it up on the side. You want the thick side up. Okay? So you're going to set it up on its side like that. And then you're going to take a knife. Get you a good sharp knife. And you're just going to slice it down through there like that. And like I said, not completely butterfly, but almost. So see? Just like that. Ooh, that smells good with all those spices on there. And now we're going to just stuff it. Get all that yummy goodness inside of there. And we're going to do the same thing with the other one, of course. It's a little messy. A little on the messy side. I probably should have had my toothpicks out already. Probably should have went ahead and pulled them out. So we're going to put one here. Oh, there it comes out. We don't want that to happen, do we? We need all that tasty inside. And sorry about that, guys. On up through there just like that, and then we're going to lay it in the pan. Guess I should have brought that over there for you all to see, huh? We're going to set it in the pan, and then we're going to just lay our chicken or our bacon strips across the top, okay? So I'm just going to set that right there and scoot everything down, so y'all can see just a little bit better what I'm doing here. Okay? Get that out of the way. Remember, thick side up. Thick side up. That's how we need it. So we can get that just right. Again. all the way through though. Remember, not all the way through. Get a little pocket in there. Remember, a little pocket. You can actually set it in here if you want to. Probably wouldn't be as messy. And we're just gonna put our stuffing inside. I tell you what I like to do. You can do this if you want to. You don't have to. Once you get your broccoli chopped, just go ahead and put it and your cream cheese and your butter. Go ahead and put that in a microwave safe bowl and just microwave it for about a minute to get everything nice and soft so it can mix together and get all that yummy goodness going at one time. Let me wash my hands off. Sorry. This is a little on the messy side, but that's okay. It tastes delicious. Like I said, just the spices alone smell fantastic. So we're gonna. See, I should have done that in the first place, yeah. Or stop using the wrapped ones, right? But again, let's get all that down inside there. And we're going to use the toothpick and pin it together. And I'm going to do the same thing here. All right, get down in there. It's trying to get away from me, huh? Go, just like that. And we're going to lay it down. Take those strips of bacon. You don't have to pre-bake it or pre-fry it. Just lay it right there on the top. That way, obviously, your bacon grease is going to get down in there and go into the breast of the chicken and give it that yummy bacon flavor. And if you don't like bacon, obviously, you don't have to use that. There's several different things you could come up with, honestly, if you wanted to put a different stuffing in it, even. It's just, this is one we tried. We really like it. And, you know, it's keto. So, there you go. All right. Sorry, wash my hands again. Okay. So, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to put this in the oven. Like I said, a 375 preheated oven. And we're going to bake it for 45 minutes. And then we're going to turn the oven on to broil on high. And we're going to take it out and we're going to put some shredded cheddar cheese on top of it. We're going to put it back in the oven, let it melt the cheese, and it's also going to crisp that bacon up on top too. It gives you know, crispy bacon I like on top of the chicken. It really gives it a special flavor. So in the oven this goes, and in 45 minutes we'll get it back out. And like you know, through the magic of cameras and TV and all that, shortly, this is going to be done. To this. Doesn't that look yummy? I'm going to go ahead and get it plated up. Give a little slice into it and let you see all that goodness inside. Be right back. Okay. You do want to remember to pull the toothpicks out. And you should let it set for about 5 minutes. You know, to let the cheeses set down just a little bit, settle up just a wee bit. Look at that. See that? Cooked just right. Tender. Oh yes. This is going to be great. Thank you all for tuning in. I hope you enjoy my recipes, and I look forward to cooking for you again tomorrow. If you like my video, please click like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.